Name, period, date, lab safety quiz. Directions. Match each definition with the vocabulary word in the word bank. Place the letter of the word in the bank beside the correct definition. Underline your key words to help you. Word bank. A. Precaution. B. Waft. C. Hazard. D. Weight. Number 1. Steps taken by a student to be safe in the science lab. Number 2. The way to smell things in a science lab. It is done by cupping your hand and fanning the smell towards your nose. Number 3. A danger in the science lab that should be reported to the teacher. Number 4. Measurement of the effect of gravity on an object's mass. It is measured with scale. Word bank. E. Mass. F. Volume. G. Meniscus. Number 5. The curved surface of a liquid. Number 6. A measurement of the amount of matter in something. It is measured with a triple beam or pan balance. Number 7. Amount of space something takes up. Read the question and choose the best answer. Number 8. Which student is properly dressed for lab? A. Backpack, loose t-shirt. B. Sandals, baggy clothing. C. Closed-toed shoes, tied-back hair. Number 9. In which of the following investigations would safety gloves be useful? A. Rolling cars down a ramp to investigate motion. B. Working with unknown liquids. C. Using a mirror and a flashlight to study reflection. Number 10. A group of 5th grade students was learning about volcanic eruptions. The activity called for baking soda and water. Which of the following tools should the students use to be safe? A. Goggles. B. Journal. C. Beaker. Number 11. Which of the tools below should be used to accurately measure 250 milliliters of water? A. Beaker. B. Graduated cylinder. C. Eyedropper. Number 12. Measure the amount of liquid in the graduated cylinder below and record the measurement. Number 13. What is one advantage of using multiple trials in an investigation? A. To organize how we collect data. B. To make sure our results are valid. C. To make sure we have enough data. Number 14. Use a ruler to measure the width of the penny to the nearest millimeter. Number 15. Students are mixing an unknown solution. The teacher tells them to follow lab safety rules. The following practices should be observed except A. Wafting the air to smell the solution. B. Wearing protective equipment. C. Tasting the solution.